Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're getting ready for those warmer days ahead, and I've got a fantastic product to share with you. If you're tired of stuffy, hot rooms and noisy fans that just push air around, then you're going to love this. We're taking a deep dive into the Dreo Tower fan with remote control. It's not just another fan, it's a powerful and quiet solution designed to bring you ultimate comfort. With its sleek design and smart features, this fan is a game changer for any bedroom, living room, or home office. Let's get into the details. Why the Dreo Nomad One is the perfect solution. The Dreo Nomad One, DRHTF07, is engineered for performance and convenience, solving common problems people face with traditional fans. Instead of a weak breeze, its all-in-one airflow system and supercharged motor deliver a high-speed wind that reaches up to 25 feet SOS, rapidly circulating air throughout your space. This means your whole room feels cool and refreshed, not just the spot right in front of the fan. One of the biggest benefits is its whisper-quiet operation. Running as low as 28 dB, this fan won't disrupt your sleep, work, or TV time. Special features like its algorithmic impeller design and the magical Kawanda effect ensure a serene environment, and the display even auto-dims in sleep mode. The included 8-hour timer also lets you set it and forget it, so you can enjoy a restful night without worrying about turning it off. You will find the link to the product in the description below so you can check it out for yourself. What makes this fan better than the rest? On a crowded marketplace like Amazon, what makes the Dreo Nomad One stand out? It's the thoughtful design and superior functionality. Many fans are loud, difficult to clean, and lack customizable settings. The Dreo fan addresses these issues directly with effortless maintenance. A removable rear grille and impeller wheel make cleaning a breeze, ensuring your fan stays in top condition. Safety. First, with fingertip pinch-proof grills and a fused plug, this ETL-listed fan is built with safety in mind, giving you peace of mind, especially if you have children or pets. Customizable comfort. The fan features 4 speeds and 4 distinct modes: normal, natural, sleep, and auto, so you can tailor the airflow to your exact needs at the touch of a button. Please subscribe to the channel if you want to see more reviews like this. Wider coverage. With its 90-degree oscillation, the fan can cover more area, working perfectly in tandem with your air conditioner to cool your entire room more efficiently and save you money. All these features, including a handy remote control you can easily store in a built-in compartment, make the Dreo Nomad One the superior choice for anyone looking for powerful, quiet, and customizable cooling. You will find the link to the product in the description. Elevate your comfort today. Whether you need a quiet fan for your bedroom, a powerful circulator for your living room, or a stylish addition to your home office, the Dreo Nomad One is the perfect fit. Its compact, slim design with a hidden handle makes it easy to move anywhere you need a refreshing breeze. Don't settle for less. Bring home the superior performance and convenience of the Dreo Tower fan with remote control and feel the difference.